Welcome grade 11A to today's class. I'm going to be your teacher for today. Our lesson for today is going to be about derivatives. Can someone please read our objective for today and the new vocab, please? Please raise your hands. Okay, Khoya, can you read the objectives and then Zaid is going to read the new vocab.
Sure. Find instantaneous rate of change by calculating derivatives.
Now, some of the following vocabulary words are derivative, differentiation, differential equation, differential operator.
Thank you, Khoya, and thank you, Zaid. Now, you use limits to determine the slope of a line tangent to the graph of a function at any point. This limit is called the derivative of a function. The derivative of a function of the derivative of f of x is f prime of x, which is given by the equation below. Provided the limit exists, the process of finding a derivative is called differentiation, and the result is called a differential equation. We have an example here. Does anyone want to explain the steps, please? Okay, Obada, go on, please.
First, we write the formula that we studied before. Then, we apply the formula to our main function. Third step is expanding and simplifying, and we factor what we got. After we divide by h, we substitute the limit h to 0 to get the final function. Now we can use this equation to find the values at x equal 1 and x equal 5.
Thank you, Obada. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, Muhammad Maher?
Why did you substitute 0?
Because the function limits goes to 0.
Okay, thank you.
Now let's continue with our class. Tom, can you please explain the power rule for our classmates?
Yes, I can. To this point, you have had to evaluate limits as they approach 0 in order to calculate derivatives, the slopes of tangent lines, and instantaneous velocity. A very helpful rule for simplifying this process and for reducing calculations error in the power rule. It allows for evaluation of derivatives without the need to calculate limits. Power rule of derivatives. By words, the power of x in the derivative is 1 less than the power of x in the original function, and the coefficient of the power of x in the derivative is the same as power of x in the original function. By symbols, we can say that if f of x equal x to the power n and n is a real number, then f prime of x equal nx to the power n minus 1.
Thank you very much, Tom. Now let's use the rule to solve this example. Who wants to help? Okay, Muhammad Hisham, go on and solve question A, and Abdurrahman will solve question B.
First, we have an original equation for A, which is x to the power 9. We apply the power rule and multiply it by the power to get 9x. But then we subtract 1 from the power to get the final answer, 9x to the power 8.
This one has an extra step. The function is written with root function, so we have to change it to a power function. So basically, we take the power inside the root 7 over the number of the root, which is 5, to get the power 7 over 5. And then we use the power rule to get 7 over 5x to the power 2 over 5.
Thank you, Muhammad Hisham, and thank you, Abdurrahman. Now let's practice our lesson with a platform you are all familiar with, quizzes. I'm going to share the quiz information in the chat. So please copy the link and open the quiz. Guys, please, can you join the quiz?
No, I can't.
We
Why?
can't join. We're copying the password.
Unavailable
Yeah.
code.
Okay, guys, can you join now with the new code?
Yeah, it's working right now.
Okay. We have only 13 students in here. Okay, I'm going to start the quiz in 10 seconds, okay? Okay, I'm going to start now. Okay, I see most of you have finished. Is anyone still in the quiz?
No.
Okay, I'm going to end the game right now. Okay, let's see who's in first place. Safe Osama. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, now for our last segment, let's answer those 3 questions. What is the power rule? What do we call the derivative of a function? What do we do if we have a root in the function? Now let's use the open the box game to pick who is going to answer. Okay, Munir, can you pick the first question, please? The first number?
20.
Okay. Muhammad Khaldoon. Okay, can you answer the first question?
Yes. The power rule is f prime of x nx to the power n minus 1.
Okay. Thank you, Khaldoon. Can you pick the next number?
Number 8.
Number 8. Khalid Abdel Majid. Can you answer the second question, please?
Yes, of course. We call the derivative of the function f prime of x.
Okay, thank you. Pick the next number, please.
I choose number 18. 12.
Number again?
Number 12.
Okay. Asim Mahmoud. Can you answer the last question?
Of course. We take the power under the root and put it above the root number to get the power.
Okay, thank you guys. Great answers. Does anyone have any questions or any feedback? Yes, Tarawna?
Sorry, but Tarawna went to the hospital.
Oh, okay. Okay, does anyone have any feedback? Okay.
Yes, me.
Okay,
I
can
have.
you?
Uh,
Yes.
no
Go.
question, but I want to say that the class was great and today's lesson was enjoyable and easy.
Thank you very much. That's it for today. Thank you guys for listening and participating.
Thank you very much.